Hi. Today, we're finishing our digital transformation series. In part one, we defined digital transformation or DX. And in part two, we talked about the challenges of transforming. I'm excited today to talk about DX solutions. Over the years, I found a recipe to tackle any kind of large transformation, technical project, or even DX. This recipe starts with three key ingredients: approach, involvement, and mindset. This starts at the C suite and then moves beyond. Without strategically defining our approach, involvement, and mindset, we won't really transform and we won't achieve our goals. After leveraging my recipe in this space, we then tackle the next order, aligning our business and our tech and our goals. Defining the outcome of digital transformation. What does it mean to be on the other side of the transformation? What does success look like? And what does that look like for our business, our customers, and our employees? Not just a recipe with three items for success, but what does it really look like to live it? Once we have the outcome and alignment, then we have to double down on all those old standbys that human nature makes us want to skip. The tactical and what some might find less fun work. We need to define our tool sets and not be romanced by shiny new tech. We need to define our stakeholders and to be clear that it's everyone who's impacted: customers, employees, and even vendors. We need to leverage true change management enterprise-wide to listen, to use empathy to hear, to understand, and to mitigate concerns. Note, this does not mean we dismiss concerns, but we manage them instead. We need to empower and build the skill sets of our employees to contribute to the transformation as they're a big part of it. We need to support our skilled, keyword there, skilled change agents. We need to be crisp and clear on our communications and leverage best practices, sharing our roadmap, providing regular updates, and with statuses in them, and telling stakeholders what we know, what we don't know, and when we'll be talking with them next. And of course, we want to invite conversation. We need to execute on what we defined in the beginning: approach, involvement, and mindset. And finally, we need to set aside enough and appropriate resources, whether that's staffing, dollars for tools, the communication plan. All of those things have to have enough resources behind them. Now, you don't just have to take my word for it. McKinsey did a survey of the few successful DX projects, and they found that leadership, capability building, empowering workers, upgrading tools, and communications are critical areas to focus on. I will share that one of the things we specialize in at Lights on Advantage is helping companies with DX, whether that's starting a journey, helping keep a journey on the track, or if there's a DX that's struggling a little bit, we can help them back onto the tracks. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about the Lights on Advantage DX programs, please reach out to me. Until next time.